Today I'm traveling from Edmonton to Vancouver with Westjet. Now I'm at the Plaza Premium Lounge having my latte. Now I'm checking my flight time, so it's 10:15, WS161 YEG to YVR. In this video, I'm going to also show you at the end on how I got premium service. Although this is my first time flying Westjet, I didn't buy any business class fare. Hey, the plane finally arrived. This is Boeing 737-800. I think they at least need 30 minutes for preparing for departure, getting ready for Vancouver. So I'm boarding in Zone 1 and I'm sitting on 10F. So it's definitely a priority boarding, and yeah, I'm all set up and ready to go. Now I'm checking the Westjet menu, and they have quite a few of combo. The price is pretty reasonable, from $8.99 to $16.49, and I think they has better selection than Air Canada. They have quite a few of snacks, but I'm gonna pass this time. I will eat when I get to Vancouver. And they have wine and beer as well. And yeah, I'm waiting for the drink service. It has a huge leg room on the exit row, and it has it's decent, but the only complaint I have is the monitor is really small, and it doesn't have any movies and etc. But it's an hour flight, it's an old plane, so arrived at Vancouver, and overall flight experience is decent, and I wish they have a better entertainment system. Other than that, I think the WestJet flight attendant is quite professional, and I totally enjoyed the flight. And I want to tell you guys more about the WestJet Status Match Challenge. As long as you have some status from Air Canada or Porter, you can match to the WestJet Gold or Silver. So all you need to do is to give them their first and last name, your 9-digit WestJet reward ID, your phone number and email, plus your anything that prove your status. And I just send them a screenshot of from my Apple Wallet. So depends on your Air Canada or Porter status, you will go to Gold and Silver. And so if you want to extend your status beyond March 31st, is as long as you take one WestJet flight between January 9 to March 31st, and after that you need to spend $2,500 on gold and $1,500 on silver in order to extend it further. I probably won't be able to do that, but anyhow, the gold will basically give you the complimentary upgrade if there's based on your fare class, early access to business class, but I don't think that's useful for me, but maybe for some people. Advanced seat selection is good for, I like that. And airport lounge is not very good for WestJet as well, since they don't have a lot of lounges across the country. And silver, you get similar benefits essentially, but I think the main difference is the number of advanced seating you can do, and the gold may have better priority than the silver. And this is the form that you need to fill from the information just based on challenge 1, and just select your and upload your proof. If you want to know more about what your benefits are for gold and silver, there's a section in WestJet website you can take a look, but I think most useful if you're flying off from Calgary or Toronto, and you can take the 787-9, so you can easier to get into the premium cabin. And same for gold and silver, you can do advanced seat selection, priority boarding, plus I think there's a dedicated desk for the status member. So if there's a free, they're more likely to have chances for the free upgrade, but I didn't get it this time. Yeah, but if you have the status and you're suddenly you need to take WestJet flight, and you want to enjoy additional benefits, then I think it's definitely worth it, because since it's free of charge for doing any for the status match challenge, at least good until March 31st, and if you take any flight in between the first 3 months, then you can extend it to at least June 30th. And thanks for watching.